This is a huge box of Sam Wheels inventory. Hi everybody, and a warm welcome back to MapleLeaf Customs in Switzerland. I'm Andrew, and on the bench today is a package that just arrived from Sam Wheels. I'm happy to have had an ongoing collaboration with them for some time now. One of the things they do for me as an influencer is keep me in a good supply of all their inventory, including some of the newest stock that they have that you'll see in this video. I've put the names of them on the screen so that you can find them on the website. I've left links for the internet, Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. You can contact them in all of these different ways and make an order for your next custom. So I'll let you watch what is getting unpacked. Lots of fast forward activity here, so you don't see me wrestling with the small little baggies. But you'll see lots of wheels for JDM, lots of off-road tires, many colors, a variety of sizes and styles. So give them a call and get in touch and let them know you're visiting from MapleLeaf Customs. If you use the promo code MapleLeaf in your order, they'll throw in some bonus product as well. So get all coffeeed up and watch what's coming out of the box here. Get in touch with me if you've got any questions, or even better, go directly to samadwheels.com. All of the necessary contact information for Sandman Wheels is in the description to this video. If you click on the link for their main webpage online, you'll see what I'm scrolling through right now, which is just a sampling of the huge array of wheels that they've got. They threw in this company-branded Chevy Silverado with a lift kit on it, but no wheels, so I'm going to put on a set of these off-road 17mm knobby tires. They're just right for a 1:64 scale truck. Sometimes you need to narrow the length of the axles, and that's an easy process that you can see me do in my videos, or lots of other customizers doing the same procedure. These look outstanding. And of course, it's a roller. Thanks for making another visit to MapleLeaf Customs. I wish you a great day today. It's coffee time.